Hello mga katuto, welcome to our channel. Narito muli ang matalik nyo kaibigan at katropa language nyo para pag-usapan natin ang distance between 2 points of horizontal line and vertical line. Pag bago ka pa lang sa aming channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like at comment. At share mo na rin sa iyong mga kaibigan at katropa. At syempre ang mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Okay, simulan na nating manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at syempre ang matuto. Sa videong ito, ipapakita ko ang pagkakaiba ng graph ng horizontal line at vertical line at kung paano makukuha ang distance between 2 points kahit na hindi na ito i-graph. So ang topic natin ay distance between 2 points of horizontal and vertical lines. So tignan natin na itong example number 1. Find the distance between point A at negative 1, 2 and at point B we have 5, 2 by graphing. So kailangan natin ng Cartesian plane. Una nating ipla-plot ang point A. We have negative 1, 2. So negative 1, then the other one is 2. So point A is here. Then at point B, we have 5, 2. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the other one is 2. So point B is here. Then connect the 2 points to form a line. From this illustration, malalaman na natin ang distance from point A to point B. Bilangin lang natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, the distance between points A and B is 6 units. So ganyan lang kunin ang distance between 2 points by graphing. So let's have example number 2. Determine the distance between at point C we have 1228 and at point D we have negative 3928 algebraically. So meaning hindi na tayo magra-graph. So gagamitin lang natin ang postulate na ito. The distance between 2 points on a number line is the absolute value of the difference of their coordinates. Mapapansin nyo sa ating coordinates na magkapareho ang y values or yung y coordinates. So we have 28, 28. Ibig sabihin, kunin lang natin yung mga x values or yung mga x coordinates. Yun ang isi-simplify natin. At ang sabi rito, absolute value of the difference of their coordinates. Kunin lang natin yung mga x values or x coordinates ng ating points. So we have 12 and the other one is negative 39. Then apply na natin ito. Sabi rito, absolute value of the difference of their coordinates. So kunin lang natin absolute value of 12 minus negative 39. So 12 minus negative 39 is equal to 51. So meaning to say, the distance between point C and point D is 51. Or, pwede rin ang negative 39 minus 12. So ito yung negative 39 minus 12. So that is the absolute value of negative 51 or that is equal to 51. Okay, so let's have example number 3. Determine the distance between point A, negative 2, 5, and point B, negative 2, negative 4 by graphing. So kailangan ulit natin ng Cartesian plane para ma-graph natin yung point A and point B. So we have here negative 2, 5, negative 2, and the other one is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So point A is here. Then at point B, we have negative 2, negative 4. So negative 2 as the value of x. Then negative 4 is the value of y. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So point B is here. Then connect the 2 points to form a line. Then pwede na natin kunin yung distance between point A and point B. So bilangin lang natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, the distance between points A and B is 9 units. Next, question number 4. Determine the distance between point C, 42, negative 78, and at point D, 42, negative 65, algebraically. So, gamitin pa rin natin yung postulate kanina. So, mapapansin nyo rito yung x values or yung x coordinates ay magkapareho. So, kunin natin yung negative 78 at negative 65. So, we have absolute value of negative 78 minus negative 65. So, that is absolute value of negative 13 or that is equal to 13. Ibig sabihin, the distance between point C and point D is 13. Or, pwede rin natin baliktarin, absolute value of negative 65 minus negative 78 and that is equal to 13. Kailan ba natin malalaman kung horizontal or vertical line ang ating mga points or graph sa Cartesian plane? Kung mapapansin nyo sa examples 1 and 2, ang ating y values or y coordinates ay magkapareho. Sa example number 1, yung 2 saka 2, pareho yung y coordinates nila. Ganon din sa example number 2, yung y coordinates ay magkapareho. Ibig sabihin, ang graph or line nito ay horizontal line. Kapag ang x values or x coordinates ay magkapareho, tulad dito sa example number 3, negative 2 and negative 2. And in number 4, the x values or x coordinate is 42 and 42. Pareho yung x coordinates nila. So therefore, yung graph or line niya ay vertical line. Sana makatulong ang video na to para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang distance between 2 points of horizontal and vertical line.
Natuto ka ba?
Ikaw, nag-enjoy ka rin ba? I-like, share, and subscribe na!
Hanggang sa susunod, mga katuto.
Bye!